Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Gmail Help Me Write feature for absolutely free. So let's get straight into the video. So as of 2026, you can actually go ahead and use the Gmail Help Me Write feature for free. This is powered by Gemini AI, and it allows users to create and edit mails without a paid subscription. This AI assistant is integrated into the Compose window on the desktop and mobile app. So simply go ahead and open your Compose tab. Simply go ahead and write your recipient, whoever it is. And then on the Compose tab, when you start writing, then it is going to simply go ahead and pop up with a little help me with write or help me write tool. And you can simply go ahead and create, formalize, shorten, or elaborate on email content. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.